Please let me know once you can see my screen.
Right click and download this PPK file. Save as, yeah.
Save it.
Yeah. And download, remove the TXT, yeah. And enter, yeah. That's all.
Just
Okay,
to add,
so
Rajesh, the other way of downloading that would be if you expand that drop down right code, there is option for it to zip download. So you can extract that zip folder also and then get the PPK.
yeah, but yeah, that is also nice strategy. But day1.txt will be updated every 1 hour now onwards. So it will be easy. It will be difficult.
It is coming text only, Rajesh.
No problem. Text also has a key, no? That's okay. You can use that. Try that. Use the putty. Go to the putty.
Okay. Where to go? I don't.
No, putty means the tool should be installed in your machine. Okay. Are you having Git bash installed in your machine?
No.
Okay, no problem. Putty should be there. If not, then download from the internet. You don't have putty? Okay,
No.
just a second. I'll give you the direct link so you'll not
Which
struggle.
one I need to monitor?
Yeah. Oh, that's a search. Okay, wait a second. I'll give you the direct link. Wait a second. Use this URL in chat window for downloading putty. And for the instruction, if someone wants to, you can use this tutorial for it.
This command got failed, Rajesh, when you run this
Can
command.
It was failing for me also. That's the reason line number 10 we did, no? wget. Wget was not there, so I installed the wget.
This one? MSI, right? MSI.
Yeah.
Rajesh, I have opened this machine already, right? So it went to inactive state. When I closed and trying to open again, it's not opening. After browsing the key, when I click on open, it's not opening.
Okay, no problem. After, can you share your screen? Yeah, what is a session is not added. For your Komali, your session is not added. Top, IP address, top. Scroll up, top, go up, session, yeah, IP address.
I'm running second command. It is showing like command not found.
Yeah, that's okay because I was also having that problem. I solved that problem using installing wget. So following command. Yeah, just follow that command's logic, you will understand. See that next command if one is having problem.
The start and status of Jenkins saying that could not found. Rajesh?
Yeah, tell me.
After installation, when I see the status of a Jenkins,
Mhm.
saying that the unit's Jenkins.service could not found.
So that means installation did not happen of, can you run this command? Show me your instruction which you are following.
Here is the instruction.
Before that line number 16, did you run it? Can you try one more time in front of me? Try in front of me.
I just show the cursor which I ran the previously.
No, it's okay. Rerun. No, it's safe to run. It's pretty much safe to run. Enter. See, it's not installed. See, you have to say yes. Yeah, now it's installing.
That is, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
The putty is already installed. Given the IP address, then needs to come here, right?
Yeah. Click one plus button.
Okay.
auth.
Okay.
Locate the PPK file. This right side browse, no? Browse, yeah. PPK file. Where you downloaded the PPK file?
I guess 1 second. I have to check.
Save as PPK file. It's
Yes.
there in the desktop. Yeah, desktop. Search for this Rajesh Mumbai or something. Yeah, came. Yeah, click open.
Okay.
Open. Yes, accept. Send to us. Enter. That's all you are into. Sudo -s to become a root. Okay. I repeat, sudo -s for becoming root. Else you have to use the sudo all the time, which I don't like.
Okay. So
Rajesh,
now I
what
need
would
to
be the
run off this
password for
command.
administrator?
Uh-huh.
Password for administrator.
Password for admin means sorry, I didn't get it.
Okay. I ran the command for starting Jenkins, right? So it was asking for password. etc.
Follow that instruction. You have that on the page itself where the password is lying. Read that page of Jenkins.
Okay.
So now I need to run all these command, right?
Yes. This is line number 5 on this. Yeah.
5 1.
Yeah. And I would request you to understand the purpose of command also. It'll be, again, these are the global commands. So any tools, other tools also you'll understand that very easily.
Yeah, it's for installing the Java JDK.
I've installed Putty.
To perform this command. So this, which route I need to select?
Sudo -s. Sudo space -s. No, in command line.
Okay.
Sudo space -s. Enter. Now onwards, you follow all this command from line number 5. Okay.
Okay. So for this location, I'm going to run all this command, right?
Yes.
Okay.
After executing start Jenkins command, I don't see it is not
Rajesh, when I click on the status, like status command I'm running, I'm getting that active running status. So that's it, right?
That's
What
all.
we need
That's
to
all.
do? Okay.
Browse 8080 port, same IP address.
Okay.
Rajesh, can you help me to get the putty tool?
Yeah, hi Rajesh. I have completed. Few of the plugins was not installed properly.
No problem. So that happens sometimes. So if you retry, you'll be okay and continue. That's not a problem actually. There's
Yeah,
a
if I retry it, what will happen? It will comes to like uh or the next step we are entering the username password. No, that's
just go
I
ahead,
haven't.
no problem. After that also you can install the plugin. That's
Yes.
not a stopping point actually. Because you
Okay.
can install and uninstall plugin any time in Jenkins.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
sharing my screen. So after executing command start Jenkins one, right? I don't see it is showing anything. And till
It started actually. Status, run the command status.
Rajesh, I'm getting the connection timeout error for some reason.
One by one, just let me.
Okay.
You started that, Sri Lata. You started. Just run the status one more time. Enter. Yeah, it's running. No? You have it.
So now in the browser have to
Browser 8080. Yeah, 8080. Yeah. Who was having some second question?
Yeah, it's me, Rajesh. So I'm getting some connection timeout error when I'm connecting through Git Bash. So I've given the SSH and the PM file.
Can you ping that first, that IP address if it is accessible?
Yeah.
no, what am I supposed to do? Port 8080 and this
IP address and port 8080. Yeah.
not HTTP.
Not HTTPS, HTTP. Yeah. Colon. Yeah. Enter. No, space. I think you are giving. Why? Colon. No. 8080. Enter. That's all. Copy this URL. Probably you'll forget it. And there's a password lying over there. Var lib Jenkins. You have to give this password.
Password?
This you have it's lying in your machine at the var leave Jenkins secret. Is there no? Answer is itself on the code.
Sorry, I didn't get you. What was it?
See, if you want to unlock this guy, this page, then there is one password lying at the var leave Jenkins. You have to give it that password. Is there no red color? You see that red color?
So in this red where live Jenkins is there, this path you need to copy. You can go to your git bash, provide command more space and this path. You will get your password there.
Rajesh, when I'm pinging, it's giving a request timed out.
That means you have some access issues. From AWS perspective, I'm not blocking anything. Check that if you have VPN, my room or something like that.
Abhinay, are you in office?
Yes, I'm in office.
Okay, even I'm facing the same issue.
Okay.
Rajesh, this is Sahil.
So how do you think Rupa
It's
we should
very
handle
simple,
this?
no? Guys. Let's not lose the day. Important day. Time is very important. You guys must be having some dongle or phone internet in phone, no? Let's start using that. It's easy. Disconnect from the office network and dongle convert it to the dongle. And I'm sure you must be having 4G at least. So you can start using.
Rajesh, can I share my screen? This is Vivek.
Rajesh, I'm just sharing my screen. I'm stuck here. Okay, I run the install of that one. Then when I see the status, I got inactive.
Start that. Start this. Started is not happening.
So status.
Start. No, start is not run. No, start line 19 number. Yeah.
When I run this one.
Chikka, you can install no this one. I gave you the same command. You have it over there. Yum install wget. Very simple. Any software in CentOS and RHL you can install using yum. Okay.
So after this one, then I went to browser.
8080. Yeah, 8080.
Okay.
Wonderful. Now give that password at that location. Yeah. More command you can use. Cat command you can use for printing the file. Yeah, that's all.
Rajesh, I have a doubt actually. Actually, I couldn't execute the second ninth line actually. After yum install Java, the sudo wget one.
That's what I'm repeating multiple times. You have the wget is not there. So answer is in the next line. Install the wget. If you see the command line itself, let me go to that line number. You have the answer over there only. Where is that? My notes. It should be here. Yeah. So day1.txt. The answer for the problem which you are facing is lies in the line number 113. Line number 10 and 113 for the GitHub. Got it?
No, sorry. You mean do I need to install the 10th first? Like that?
That's correct. Yes. After that, we have to run that command again. See, 9 command failed, but again, I'm running on the line number 12, the same command. You look at that carefully.
Okay.
Correct?
Rajesh, what we need to create for username and password and all?
Anything, whichever you like. I'm having no control. You remember anything, you do that. I remember Rajesh 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Rajesh, I'm
Rajesh, I
sharing
have
my.
given the screenshot in the chat. When
Rajesh,
I'm installing JDK.
I prefer you can take one system and you can show it so that people will follow step by step. What I'm asking now these days.
Yeah. What's the questions, guys?
Rajesh,
Can I go ahead?
Yeah, please go ahead. I can see that someone is speaking. Not Rajan.
yeah, Rajesh. Actually, I managed to install Putty, but after now, where should I go from here?
Okay. So, guys, I'll have a little bit of hard stop actually. My assumptions was like everyone is knowing how to use the putty or SSH because that's the only way to log into Linux machine. Okay, so but before that, let me give this piece to this question. I will share my screen and I will show you, okay, the steps. So can you see my screen, all of you? All of you?
Yes.
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here what I'm doing, right, guys, understand that it's very simple stuff. The question is how to log in Linux box. That's one thing. So there is a two ways typically we use. There are hundreds of ways. I'm not discussing too much. So there's one way which we use, every developer use putty. Okay, that's a one. Second, people are using shell. I'm using bash shell actually for your git bash shell. Git bash shell. You can use a PowerShell also, by the way. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, so people use shell or putty. Putty is like a fundamental. Shell also is a fundamental. So here for putty, if you need PPK file, and for shell, you need what is the file name? PEM file. Now these two files I have already, if you notice, I have given you in this location. Now again, right, understand that key you should not copy. You should always download. How to download, I have discussed so many times. Raw, save as here, and you can do that. That's the one part. Now putty, how can we use the PPK? So simple, I'll go for putty. I don't know why I'm having putty or not. Yes, I am having. And here I'll give the IP address. What IP address? The same IP address which I'll give it to you. So for example, I'm using one of your machines, okay, just for the demo. Here, this is a lab. And let's say I'm using the Rupa machines. This is her IP address. I'll give you this one. And SSH, click on SSH, this plus button, and locate the, click on the auth, and click on this browse, and locate the PPK file. I have a PPK file in the keys directory. Rajesh PPK. Open and open, accept, CentOS. I logged in, sudo -s, I become root, and followed by that command. Now, if you want to do SSH, that's the second option I'm talking about right now. This is the second option. And for that, if you remember that command, I set it up here only. This is the command. Here only your IP address will change. Now, if you ask me, Rajesh, do you have a printout? So, step-by-step guide. So I don't know how many of you have looked at it. I shared that already in the chat window 30 minutes before. Now again, I'm resharing in the chat window. This, whatever the steps I followed, you have that steps over there. So now, is that clear for everyone? Those who got stuck? All of you? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you go ahead. Yeah. Anyone who's stuck, please call me and share your screen.
Yeah,
And
Rajesh,
one more thing, guys. Before putting or SSHing, before that, check that if you're able to ping that IP address or not. Because if you can't ping that, that means you don't have access to that server. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm here pinging the IP, but I'm getting the connection is getting, but I'm unable to get the footy. So can you help on that?
So, yeah, share your screen.
Yeah, now able to see the screen.
Yeah, I can see command line, not what you are trying, putty or different way.
Yeah, putty.
So open up the putty. It's a command line.
Baswaraj, I guess you need to install the putty.
Okay. Okay. So putty, how to download? I'll give you this again. Check the chat window. In this, there's a URL. From there, you can download the putty.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, Rajesh.
Hmm?
When I'm trying to install JDK, it is giving the I have given a screenshot in the chat.
Just
it is saying another
Komali,
application.
right?
Yeah, another application is currently holding the yum lock, waiting for it to exit.
Okay, so I think only I can fix it right now because if you're newbie in Linux, let me get your IP address. I'll fix this. Basically, what has happened? You have run few times that yum and it locked that. So no problem. I'll fix these issues. So where is your IP address? Komali, right?
Yeah, yes, Rajesh.
I'm logging to your machine. Just give me 2 seconds.
Rajesh, can you please share that how to remove that lock?
Yeah,
Can you
I'll
share
share
your
my.
screen? Yeah.
Yes, I can share my screen. So see here, I logged into my machine, log out to my machine and log into her machine. That's just only IP address I need to change. Okay, that's all. And I have logged into her machine. I'll become a sudo s root. Now I'll check that why this yum is locked. So I'm checking her processes.
Actually, I ordered one Blue Star machine. Okay. AC. And I'm waiting for last 5 days to get it installed. When I call the number which I was provided, he tells that yeah, he will send to the.
Someone is talking to me. Hello.
No, Rajesh, you
I
can go
think
ahead.
someone has talked and they are
Okay.
muted maybe. Some does not have
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got confused. So see here, I see that you have Komali, you have run 2 times actually. So both are in a lock position. So what I should do? Simply I will kill this -9 and this is the PID. Okay. And this is the PID, paste it. And this one. I killed it. Now you see there's no lock. So now you can run it. You will not have problem now.
Okay.
Okay, guys, go ahead.
Rajesh, when I was installing those plugins, 2 plugins got failed. Pipeline
No
stage
problem.
view.
No problem. We can install. Move on. We can install anytime in future also.
Okay.
Rajesh, JDK installation is taking too much time. Probably internet issue or something else.
No, it should not take too much because just a simple five seconds it should take. If it's taking too much time, probably could be some mirroring issues. So just wait for a few seconds and see that. If not, do let me know. I'll fix that issues.
Yeah, actually, long back I started answering my screen just a moment.
Yeah.
Still, it's 85% only. It is.
Then it's okay. Mirror has taken. It's okay. You have to wait for. What happened? I'll tell you the fundamental of it. What happens? They try the different mirror based upon the availability. Your luck is not good here. You got a mirror which is very slow. Probably some IAMs of India and all stuff like that. So that mirror has been wrong actually for you in your case. Okay. There are many mirrors in India also. So probably some mirrors which is not responding well, it has been luckily assigned to you.
So it's getting assigned dynamically, automatically, right?
So do one thing. If I'm can you do one thing? I'll fix that issue. Can you click on the Control C? Control C on the same.
Control C. Okay.
Control and C.
Yes.
And rerun that command. You should be getting into a different mirror, and hopefully it should be done faster. Rerun. Yeah. Enter. Yes, you're lucky this time. Yes. Why? Why? Yeah. Enter. Yes, wonderful. You got it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Completed.
So Rajesh, when I am trying to start the Jenkins by using that systemctl command, it's not loading.
If you're starting it will take some time, right?
It's in command not found. Okay.
You need to go for yum install wget -y.
ఏంటి ఒకసారి ఫోన్ చేస్తా లేక కాఫీ తాను ఉంది.
Rajesh, few of the plugins are getting queried.
No problem. You can continue. That's not a problem area because plugins can be installed, removed anytime.
Okay, now I need to install Jenkins, right? Java is already installed. Sudo admin. What is this command used for? 13.
Which one?
13, line number 13.
That will add the key to the repository. So that repository, the one which you see, Jenkins.repo, that will not work without a key, authentication key.
Okay. I run this command. It is okay.
That's okay. Yeah. That's adding the key. Added, followed by another command.
Okay. How can you say it's added?
It's there in the key directory. Just forget about it. It's a package. It's okay. Just move on. Yeah. No. 14th you have not done.
15th.
No. Don't miss it.
This JDK configuration, right? Nothing to do. Again, it is taking more time. Shall I cancel and restart?
Yes. Feel free to do that.
Stop. Okay, now it's showing active. So for accessing the port, always it should be Jenkins should be active, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Rajesh, when we are creating our admin user account in the UI, email address should it be anything?
Anything. It's not having validation. Anything, whichever you remember.
Okay.
Fake email address also can be now because the test server, no? You're not going to reset the password.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, thank you.
Where I need to check this password?
Just in the same server, more and then path the one which you copied. If you do, you'll get a password. More cat and all you can try.
Okay, I copied this. Where to go? Server. Okay.
In the server, the place where you are running the command.
Okay, okay. Got it. Here, right?
Yeah.
Permission denied.
Yeah. Just you need to type more or cat.
All right.
And the space and the paste the path.
Okay.
Yep, enter. You got this. That's you paste it in the form.
Hi Manoj, what was that command which we used while we were getting the permission denied?
More cat. Any content.
Yes, sorry, please.
Yeah. Any content, if you want to see it's a file, any you want to print it, you have to use cat command or more command. So that's a Linux command for that.
Okay.
It's not a permission deny. Basically, that you pasted that command on the path on the command line, so that Linux could not understand that. Yeah.
Rajesh, like status is active. So for when I open that URL, it is not opening. So which URL means I need to give the same?
The IP address and :8080. That's all. The one which you see on the screen right now of someone, Mukesh is sharing the screen.
Okay, this the same URL I need to give.
I mean, IP address of yours and 8080 port.
Yeah, that I am giving, but it is not.
Can you share your screen? It'll be easy for me to comment.
Yeah. So it is coming like this active.
No. Browser you have to go, no?
Yeah, that is fine. I'm just showing.
Yeah, that's okay. That's running. That's fine. 8080. Enter. Yeah. Wait. Is this your IP address?
Yeah, this one.
Amandeep 48 15 48. Show me that. Yeah, it is correct. Enter. Let me log in and first check that. Yeah. I'm checking from my side. Okay, just give me 2 seconds. No, I can hit. There's not a problem for me. I can hit this IP address. Are you in the VPN or something like that? Check that. Disable the VPN for time.
Okay.
But Rajesh, it's work for me when I connected with Pulse.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to comment because I'm not employee of HP and I've.
Yeah, after that also it is not coming actually.
No, 8080.
Yeah, 8080 also.
Only networking team can comment on it, what they set up and all. So do one thing, try different browser, see that, because maybe sometime proxy takes the caching. I mean, that's my experience. Copy paste the URL in the chat window, whatever I give it. And guys, anyone have experience? How can we browse that website? No, copy paste in the chat window, the message which I have, the URL. In the edge, we have a problem. You have to give the full path.
Okay, this one you are telling to paste.
Yes. Enter. Yes, that was a browser issue. So first time it was a VPN issue. Second time it was a browser issue.
Okay.
Okay. So this time of things we have to keep trying out ourselves. No, I think in your this browser proxy is set. No problem. Go ahead with this. No problem.
The last step would be logging into the Jenkins application with the ID password that we have created.
Correct. Yes.
So this password I need to generate from here only.
That's correct. More and can't command you can use it. Not generate, you just print the content.
Okay.
By the way, we all should read that forms because during the lab, understanding is more important than running the command.
Just one quick question. In the UI, I could see that there is an alert notification which says building on the built-in node can be a security issue. Should we be concerned or is it okay?
Sorry, I was talking in node. Which concern you said? Which node?
Yeah, I'll just bring up my screen quickly.
Yeah.
It's not a showstopper, but yeah. If you say this, building on the built-in node.
This is you can for time being ignored. That's not.
Oh.
Means from here I need to pick some password or.
Yeah.
Rajesh, I landed to this page, but I see some more commands has to be run. What is this commands? Port 8080 config file more, etc.
No, I said that's not a command actually, that's instructions. I said the Jenkins is running with the 8080 port and configuration file, you can find that location if you want to change. For time being, just forget about this. Okay, because you'll get confused more. So 8080 port, I hope you remember that. Using that, you can access.
Yeah. I shared the path also here from the reference.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So guys, I am assuming like all of you have got the Jenkins running, or maybe plugins is being installed. Okay.
Hello everyone, if you would like to access the remaining videos of this playlist of 50 plus more tools which are coming under DevOps, DevSecOps, SRE, DataOps, GitOps, etc. Kindly become our channel members by clicking on the joining button. You would have access to 100s of playlists and 1000s of videos lifetime access with this membership. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.